In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit videos in Descript using transcripts and AI tools. First, head to Descript.com, log in, and choose the account or workspace where you want to keep your project. Once you're in, create a new video project. You can import a video file from your computer or simply paste a YouTube link if that's where your content lives. Descript will automatically generate a transcript, turning your video into an editable document. Give it a moment to process, especially if your video is longer. When the transcript appears, skim through and correct any obvious misheard words. Cleaning this up early will make the rest of your edits more accurate. Now the fun part, editing your video by editing the text. In Descript, your transcript and your timeline are linked. If you highlight and delete a sentence or phrase in the transcript, the corresponding video footage is removed too. If a section needs to move, cut, or copy the text, place your cursor where you want it and paste. It rearranges the video to match. If you want to hide a line without permanently removing it, use the ignore option. That way it won't play, but you can bring it back later. As you make changes, play the sequence to check pacing. If anything feels choppy, undo, adjust your selection, and try again. Think of it like editing a document, but your edits are shaping the final cut. With your structure set, enhance the audio and visuals using Descript's AI tools. Turn on Studio Sound to clean up background noise and bring clarity to voices. Use it lightly at first. You can always increase the strength if needed. Next, tighten the pacing with shortened word gaps, which automatically reduces long pauses and filler silences. Preview to make sure it still sounds natural. If you're on camera, use the eye contact adjustment to subtly correct your gaze so it looks like you're speaking directly to the viewer. This is great for maintaining connection, especially if you glanced at notes during recording. To finish, enrich your story with B-roll, captions, and graphics. Drop relevant B-roll over parts of the narration to illustrate key points and add captions for accessibility and engagement. Simple lower thirds and on-screen text can highlight names, terms, or calls to action. When everything looks and sounds right, export your project. Choose your format and resolution, confirm audio levels are consistent, and watch a quick preview of the exported file to be sure it matches your expectations. That's it. You've imported, edited, enhanced, and exported a polished video entirely inside Descript.